the Weather Authority.
All right, good morning. Some clouds working their way into the state here on a northwest flow in the jet stream. That's the direction we're going to be looking for our next cold front that's going to be bringing ahead of it eventually some rain and then ending over as some snow showers. Now, these clouds in spots a little thicker than others. You can see the difference in some of our home view cameras, looking a little thinner as we look at the home view in Richmond, a little thicker as we're looking at a deck of clouds down in Somerset. But we'll see intervals of where we get more sun, intervals where we get a little bit more cloud cover as we go throughout the remainder of the day. Despite clouds, though, we're still really going to warm the temperatures up from the 30s this morning in most spots. A few 20s in sheltered valleys still of eastern and southern Kentucky. But by the afternoon, we're going to warm up nicely. The wind is the big culprit for that. Unfortunately, we're looking at gusts between 25 and 35 miles per hour in most cases. Could we get an isolated gust that goes higher than 35? It is a possibility, especially if we can get a little bit of sunshine as that's happening, kind of help to mix down some of the stronger winds. It stays breezy overnight, and then tomorrow, another windy day, but it will be winds of change, okay? Winds tomorrow really start to usher in much, much colder air to the state. Let's look at the setup on the satellite. There's that first little batch of clouds. There is another batch of clearing behind that into Indiana, and then farther back to the northwest, more clouds. Those clouds will come back in here later today. So intervals of the sun and the clouds, mild temperatures today. Later on tonight, maybe even as early as 11 p.m. or midnight, we could start to see some initial sprinkles or maybe some isolated showers then. But the shower coverage goes up after midnight into tomorrow morning. By tomorrow afternoon, the colder air starts to win out, and we see that change over or mix with at first a little snow, and then it goes over to some scattered snow showers. The thing about this, a lot of the deeper moisture starts to move out by the time some of the colder air gets in. So these will be streaky, scattered snow showers that continue into Wednesday night and into Thursday. Eastern Kentucky always tends to do better in that setup because the winds are forced to rise by the higher terrain over there, and that squeezes out moisture and lingers the snow showers longer. Today, no snow showers, no rain showers, sun and clouds, windy, milder. We're in the 50s. Gusts, though, 30 miles an hour or higher on the high end there. Mostly cloudy, breezy, showers developing into the overnight. Still quite breezy. Looking ahead toward the end of the week, though, another chance for some snow showers, and with that system into the weekend, little waves of energy come through the Ohio Valley. That could also put down some minor snow accumulation. So the snow amounts for tomorrow, late tomorrow night into Thursday, minor, under an inch. If anybody gets over an inch, it'd be more isolated or in the highest elevations of far southeast Kentucky when we're talking about several thousand feet up. But in most cases, this is a minor snow. Same story as we get into the upcoming weekend. But the bigger story is indeed going to be just how cold that'll get. If we can get some clearing Saturday night and again on Sunday night, I could easily see some spots in the single digits. Get ready. It's getting colder.